Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for visiting. I wanted to cover something that has been an ongoing video series now on my channel for a few weeks now, and we've been following the progress of installing Venturis in the Borla ATAK exhaust system on my E92 M3. And this week I wanted to do a comparison between the before and after of installing Venturis. We wanted to figure out if there is a change in sound to the exhaust system. And having done so, I can tell you that I think there is a slight difference in sound. The sound is just ever so slightly softer, kind of like it's a little bit choked out on the high ends. So the sound isn't quite as crisp or as raw as it was before. It isn't perhaps as noticeable as you might think. I had to really listen to it a couple of times back to back just to be able to tell that there is even a difference. Another small difference is on cold start. I think when you just let the car idle on cold start, there is, I think, a small decibel drop in loudness. So maybe a 1 to 2 decibel drop on the high end, but when it kind of settles down to the average loudness, both are about the same before and after. As far as how loud the exhaust gets, I think in this video comparison, the before reached about 105 decibels, and on the after, I think I actually reached 106. So I think it really is the same. The tone and character of the sound, I think, is about, like I said, it's close to being the same. The only difference is that I think the crispness isn't there as it was before, but it's probably something you wouldn't really notice unless you're an audiophile. I think most people probably wouldn't notice the difference. And so, to reiterate, the other benefit of installing the Venturis was that it does reduce the interior sound in the car by 2 to 3 decibels, and sometimes even up to 4 to 5 decibels depending on the load of the engine. And so that benefits me personally, because I was experiencing some drone at 3000 RPM, and having installed the Venturis reduced the volume just enough to where I think it is now bearable for long trips. But it is still one of the more, I think, louder exhaust catback systems that you can install on the car without making any other modifications. So now I'm just going to show you all of the footage of the before and after without the Venturis installed, and then the video with the Venturis installed. I'll put a title on the video showing which one has the Venturis and which one does not. So please pay attention to the title at the top. So here's the video. Please enjoy. Well, that's it for me this week. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.